Wow. Here we go again, YouTube. What we got here, baby? What is this? Barbecue chicken? No, for real. I mean, let's be honest here. It looks nice. I mean, look at that plate, y'all.
Jasmine rice, broccoli, and Korean barbecue chicken.
Oh my God, did y'all hear that? I hope y'all heard that, cause I know it's good. Here go to taste test, y'all. Uh oh. Oh shit. I'm saying talking all this shit about it, but it better be good, right?
Well, the timer, remember.
The timer? What happened with the timer, baby?
I'm not gonna say.
You're not gonna say on, huh? I don't know what happened. Tell the audience what happened.
It wasn't working.
It wasn't working. Okay. Here we go, y'all. Mm, mm, mm. Mm-hmm. You know it tastes good, baby, because you made it. All right, y'all. Take heed. Look, there go her plate right there.
Stop.
Oh, she don't even want her leg in the video.
No.
Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that, y'all? Good, good, good.